Hi! In front of me is Oukitel C33, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again. Click on Vibration and Haptics and click on the sweater next to Use Vibration and Haptics to turn them on or off. If you decide to turn them on, you can also click on all of those sweaters next to all of those features to manage them, like incoming calls vibration, notification and alarm ones, and even touch feedback and media. When you're done, tap on the back button and scroll all the way down. Then click on those two sweaters next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!